Hi everyone, this video shares some operations on vector, angle between two vectors and cross product of vectors. What is vector? Vectors are used to represent quantities with magnitude, length, and direction. A vector written as. Now let's first look at the angle between two vectors.
Hi everyone! Today I'll be explaining how to find the angle between two vectors in a really simple way. If you're into math or just curious about vectors, keep on watching! Vectors have direction and magnitude, and the angle between them tells us how much they tilt away from each other. We use the magnitude of vector and dot product to find the angle. So basically, the numerator, which is u dot v, is called the dot product. It is found by multiplying the corresponding components of the vectors and adding them together. While the denominator is the product of the magnitudes of the two vectors. Once you calculate cos theta, you use the inverse cosine function to find the angle in degree or radians. Now, let's try an example. Firstly, we have to find the dot product. The dot product for u and v is 2 multiply 1 plus 3 multiply 4, which will have 14. Next, we have to find the magnitudes for u and v. The magnitude of u is 2 power of 2 plus 3 power of 2, and we square root it. Then we have square root 13. For magnitude v, we will also do the same thing, which is 1 power of 2 plus 4 power of 2 and square root it, which we will have square root 17. Now, based on the formula that I have shown you guys before, we will subtract the information that we have calculated just now. For this part, you can use a calculator to compute the value. This gives us an angle of approximately 19.65 degrees. So now you know how to find the angle between two vectors.
Now that we have seen one example, let's try another problem together. This time we will calculate the angle between two new vectors. The question is, find the angle between the vector u and v. For step 1, we have to calculate the dot product. So we can use this formula to calculate the dot product, and we get 9. For step 2, find the magnitudes of u and v. For u, we will get 3, and for magnitude of v, we will get set of 26. For step 3, plug into the formula. Use the inverse cosine function to find the angle. We will get 53.96 angle. That's all. Awesome work!
Next, I will talk about a cross product. A cross product is a type of vector multiplication used only in three-dimensional space. Unlike the dot product, which gives a scalar, the cross product produces another vector. Cross product considers two vectors, which is u and v. U equals to u1, u2, u3. V equals to v1, v2, v3. The cross product u times v is calculated as u times v equals to u2 v3 minus u3 v2, u3 v1 minus u1 v3, u1 v2 minus u2 v1, or write in determinant notation like this. From the 2 times 2 minus, where the first row contains the components of u, and the second row contains the components of v. Let's find the cross product of two vectors. U equals to 3, 5, negative 7. V equals to 2, negative 6, 4.
The cross product u times v can calculate using the formula determinant notation. Now, we can find each of these determinants. First, we have 5 times 4 minus negative 7 times negative 6. Then, 3 times 4 minus negative 7 times 2. And then, 3 times negative 6 minus 5 times 2. 20 minus 42. 12 plus 14. Negative 18 minus 10. And the resulting vector is negative 22, negative 26, negative 28.
Lastly, I will discuss the right-hand rule for finding the direction of the cross product of vector.
We must understand that a vector cross product is always orthogonal to the plane containing the original two vectors.
Now, let me show you how to use the right-hand rule. To find the direction of A times B, we need to put our hand across A and cross our fingers towards B. Our times is the direction of the cross product. Well, to find the direction of B times A, we need to put our thumbs down, which is face to the plane. Then we can cross our fingers in this direction towards A. So the direction of B times A is go down into the plane.
Now it's your turn to try it out with other vectors and let me know how it goes in the comments. Here's a challenge. Find the angle between the vector V and Q. Give it a shot and let us know your answer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more maths content. See you next time!
At the end of the video, let me introduce our team members and their respective responsibilities. The first one is Alia Shafia. Her responsibilities are prepare the introduce about angle between vectors and prepare the example question of angle between vectors to spaces vector. The second one is Aina Natasha. Her responsibilities are prepare the example question of angle between vectors, three space vectors, and prepare the cosine for the main content of the video. The third one is Tan Shu An. Her responsibilities are prepare the example question of cross product and prepare the content of right-hand rule. And the last one is me, Pao Hui Ling. My responsibilities are edit video, prepare introduction and conclusion of the video, and that is prepare the content of right-hand rule.